In this short tutorial, you will learn how to set an out-of-office message in the Outlook mobile app. This feature is useful when you are away from work and cannot respond to emails right away. It helps inform your colleagues and clients that you are not available. To get started, open up the Outlook mobile app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Once you are on the settings page, you'll see an option called Automatic Replies. Tap on it. Then toggle this switch to turn on automatic replies. What you want to do next is tap where it says, Reply to everyone with. This is where you can set up your out-of-office message for anyone who emails you while you're away. So go ahead and tap in the text box and type out of office or any other message that explains when you'll be back. Make sure your message is clear and concise so people know when they can expect a reply from you. Then go back. If you want to, you can also customize these options. To save changes, tap on the checkmark in the top right corner. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.